Get the fuck out of here.
Y podemos ver nuevamente a Randy que se posiciona, va abriendo la altura de la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir el olfato. Ahí vemos nuevamente a Randy que está marcando. Vamos a cambiar a la persona.
Yes, sir. Bang, bang. Talking about spiffy. You know you bad. Damn.
I wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper. He's overstimulated, literally humping everyone. And a lot of...
Want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog.